Hello guys, welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to do laws of exponents in our chapter number 1. This is the last topic. So let me introduce you what are the laws of exponents. A raised to m, read as a raised to m or a to the power m. So this is easy, a raised to m, read in that way. Now here a is called base and m is called exponent. Exponent, another word for exponent is the power. Example 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to 3 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 3 times. 125. If you multiply, you will get the value. So 125 can be written as 5 raised to 3. This is called exponent. Exponent of 5 is 3. Now laws, there are 7 laws. Law number 1, law of multiplication. A raised to m into a raised to n. This dot stands for into, multiplication. Now you see that the bases are same. When the bases are same, you have to add the powers. So a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So examples I have taken here. 3 examples I have taken. X raised to 5 into x raised to 3 is equal to x raised to 5 plus 3, that is x raised to 8. Second example I have taken the negative exponent. Actually negative exponent I will explain you later on. So negative exponent, x raised to 8 into x raised to minus 10, that is negative 10. Now law is same, so you have to add these two powers. Now this is a negative, so therefore we have to subtract. 8 minus 10, it comes x raised to minus 2, and this is also a law of exponent that I will introduce you afterward. This can be written as 1 upon x raised to 2. So these negative exponents are the fractions. So 1 upon x raised to 2, this is x raised to 2. Okay, now here both the exponents or powers I have taken negative. X raised to minus 4 into x raised to minus 2. Add both the negative powers. So minus 4 and minus 2, it becomes minus 6 and can be written as 1 upon x raised to 6. This is a law. This is another law. A raised to minus r is equal to 1 upon a raised to r. This is the law of exponents. Now second law, that is called law of division. A raised to m divided by a raised to n. So here again bases are same. Note this point that bases must be same. So a raised to m upon n, this can be written this way also. Question can be in this way also. So doesn't matter, this is a division only. So a raised to m minus n, here m is greater than n. And if suppose the denominator exponent is greater, suppose n is greater, so you write in the denominator. So 1 upon a raised to n minus m. Here n is greater. Now see here, 2 examples are taken here. A raised to 8 divided by a raised to 6. Use the law of division. A raised to 8 minus 6. Subtract. The 6 is smaller, subtract smaller from the greater. So we get a raised to 2. Now a raised to 3 divided by a raised to 5. It can be written 3 minus 5. A raised to minus 2. That is 3 minus 5, it is minus 2, and we can write as a positive index down. So this is the second law of indices or exponents. Now third law. A raised to m raised to n, this is called powers power. A raised to m raised to n, so you have to multiply these two powers, a raised to m into n. Examples, a raised to 3 raised to 2, so 3 into 2, a raised to 6. You have to multiply now powers, 3 into 2. Now if a negative index is there or negative power is there, doesn't matter. So a raised to 4 into minus 2, 4 into minus 2, it becomes a raised to minus 8, and it can be written as 1 upon a raised to 8. This is called powers power. Now distribution. This is the fourth law, AB. Now here A and B, two different bases are there and power is same. What is power or what is the exponent? M. Now this power will be distributed to both the bases. So it will be A raised to M into B raised to M. Okay. Example. Xy raised to 2. So very simple it is. X square y square. 2 into 3, that is raised to 4. So it will be 2 raised to 4 and 3 raised to 4. You can simplify for the answer you can write. And now this is again same way. This is a multiplication of the two bases. Here division of the two bases. A upon B. So same way. A raised to M upon B raised to M. Example 5 upon 3 raised to 4. It is equal to 5 raised to 4 upon 3 raised to 4. Further you can simplify. 5 raised to 4 is 625 and 3 raised to 4 is 81. So it can be written as 625 upon 81. This can be value of this one. So law number 6 already introduced to you. A raised to R. We can take it down. I mean we can take this A raised to R, the entire this one into the denominator position. Here we should take as down 1. So just reciprocal we have to take. So 1 will go up and A raised to R, it will come down and power will become negative. It's either way. See here, A raised to minus R, it will become positive. So negative power becomes positive and positive becomes negative when you are changing from numerator to denominator. Note this is very important law. Example 5 raised to 3 can be written as 1 upon 5 raised to minus 3. 6 raised to minus 4, it can be written as 1 upon 6 raised to 4, and then you can multiply 6 for 4 times. This law is very useful for the calculations, for solving the sums. Okay, now last law is very important and many times children don't know, and I have asked this question to so many people, but people don't answer me properly. Now let me explain you. See, this last law is A raised to 0. This is 0 power. A raised to 0. So power is 0. What is the answer? 1. Now question arises that why it is always 1. See, 20 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Minus 25 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. And this is very important. Many children don't understand that why it is. Here I have explained you. See, now A raised to 10 divided by A raised to 10. Now you see that numerator and denominator are same. You have done in your earlier classes. Suppose now 25 upon 25. What will be the answer? 25 upon 25 answer will be 1. This is same. 25 upon 25 means 5 raised to 2 upon 5 raised to 2 is equal to 5 raised to 2 minus 2 is equal to 5 raised to 0 is equal to 1. So 0 power means it is a division of the same number. Numerator and denominator are same. See, A raised to 10 upon A raised to 10. So it is equal to 1 by this rule. By division, law of division. And if you want to explain explanation of this one by this way, so we can write a 10 minus 10. So is equal to A raised to 0, and so it is 1. Here I have taken one simple example. 125 divided by 125, you know it is 1. That is 5 raised to 3 upon 5 raised to 3 is equal to 1. Now again I have taken here, see here, 125 upon 125 is 1 and 5 raised to 3 upon 5 raised to 3. So this we are using the second law of division, that is 3 minus 3. So 5 raised to 3 minus 3, that becomes 5 raised to 0. Hence 5 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Hence our law is proved. A raised to 0 is 1. Any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. In the next time I am going to show you the solved examples on these laws. I hope that you must have understood. Thank you very much.